Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Irresistible Me hair extension. This is how it comes. It's pretty. And then I got it on, it's the color. I forgot which one I got. Let me see. It was the Royal Platinum White. Oh my gosh, I do apologize. It was the Royal White Blonde, number 60. So it comes in a separate packet. This little piece comes in a separate packet just so you could try it out first. It says, please read. This piece is packed separately to give you a better look at the shade and length without opening a full set. Do not use it unless certain you want to keep this extension. Is it my color? You usually have to match it with the tips, not your roots. So definitely no, but I don't have time to be returning it, especially because it takes a while. So let me see. I mean, I could always dye it myself. Besides, I'm not gonna keep this color for too long. This is Remy human hair, 100%. So that's fine. Now let me open the other pack. It has this little sticker. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Comes in a net. Really thick. I'm definitely not that blonde like this. More yellow actually. It's okay. I might end up dyeing it anyways. It comes with 10 clips, and that's including the one that came separate. And it has this. So these are one clip. Comes with 2 of them. Comes with five 2 clips. And 2 3 clips. And this big one, 4 clips, but I'm thinking of dyeing it maybe pink and then red or brown. I don't know. So let me put it on. Let me see. Now I'm gonna show you how I put my extensions on. I'm not a professional on putting extensions on, but I'm gonna just show you how I do it. So I split the bottom. By the way, I don't have that much hair. My hair is so thin. I dyed it so much that I lost a lot of hair. So I'm gonna put the 3 clip on. It shouldn't be that hard. The first one, sorry, my couch makes so much noise. No, it's not me farting. And then another one here. And I know I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm looking at myself. It's 20 inches. It's pretty long. I think it's okay. I could just tone it. From 1 out of 5, I give this a 5 because it's close enough to my hair color. The packaging was pretty. It gives you that option if your hair color is different, it doesn't match. If it doesn't, you have that option. You can return and exchange it. It's pretty thick, soft, and it has 10 clip-ons. Yeah, definitely a 5. Let me know what you guys think. If it looks nice or any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.